My name is Livia and I'm from São Paulo, Brazil. For 2 weeks. I think before being here at Buffelsdrift, I had no idea of how many options we have to help in conservation, and we learned about speckle, and I didn't know it could help us to rehabilitate the soil and help with climate changes. And yeah, I think I feel very more connected with nature as a whole. I think in cities we are very distant from this. Our first night drive with Kayla, I saw a baby zebra and so cute. And I also loved the experience of exploring the field at night. Very sad and yet very flattered and honored to have been part of this project and to be able to help and learn so much. So I'm happy but sad. I'll miss here very much. Be open, but I don't really have many advices. I think you figured it out for yourself.